Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we have finished our GK syllabus and now we were taking our revision classes related to different topics. Now I am not going according to your content which is given earlier. We'll revising the topic and the syllabus per topic wise. So today we are going to revise different landforms. So what do you mean by landforms? Landform means in what kind of an area you were living. Let's say you were living in an area like where everywhere land is there. You does not have any hill, no mountains, no quite forest area. So normally we were living in a form in a land area. Fine, everywhere we have land, and according to our need we will be getting each and everything. Now, why these different landforms are there? See, our country, not only country, on earth we will find it out different landforms. And how these landforms are formed. If I talk about our country, India, India is a country of rivers. So we found many rivers, and all these rivers they are coming from Himalaya. So one of the landform is that is Himalaya. In northern region we have most of the Himalayan range, Himadri and all. That Himalayan range that is forming your hill landform, and when you will come a little bit down from there, then you will be getting that particular kind of form, that is your mountain or plateau. Now what do you mean by this mountain and plateau? If I talk about mountain and plateau, so in mountain and plateau you will be getting such kind of a platform. That plateau is formed when rivers are bringing all the fertile soil with them, and then they are storing on a particular part. When a river overflows, and then they will left with that sand and soil and everything, and then move away, और the rivers will become less. फाइन, जब जैसे आपका आपने सुना होगा कि बाढ़ आती है, बाढ़ मीन्स फ्लड इज कमिंग. सो फ्लड आता है तो फ्लड क्या होता है, जब फ्लड चला जाता है तो वो अपने साथ जो भी मिट्टी और जो भी कुछ लेके आता है, दैट विल बी रिमेन ओवर देयर. सो दैट इज फॉर्मिंग प्लेट्यू. वो ऊपर ऊपर क्या बन जाता है, प्लेट्यू. दैट प्लेट्यू region you will find it out in India, in Rajasthan and the Gujarat part, that is having that plateau part. Now different landforms, I'll read out what are the different clues have been given, and from that clues you have to give the answer of that question, that what is that landform is. Now different landform, read the questions carefully and answer using the help box. Now for your help box is also given on the same page. You can take help from there also. Number 1, you are at a place which is very hot and dry, and you can hardly see any plant around. Now you are at a place which is very hot. Now which area of your country which is very hot? That is Rajasthan. And what kind of a we does not have any more plant. We found most of the plants over there, that is cactus. So that place is quite hot and dry, and you can hardly see any plant over there. So you are in a desert. So a desert area, if I talk about Thar desert, So here in India we will find it out desert area that is mostly in Rajasthan. Some part of that desert is in Gujarat also, but maximum part of that desert is in Rajasthan. Now about Rajasthan we have already done. Rajasthan is the capital of Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, and Rajasthan state is quite famous for its culture, famous for its variations, uh, traditions, and all these things. Actually, the people, those who are living in Rajasthan, they are quite colorful. They were living over there and they were having such kind of atmosphere that they are keep on pace with their culture, with their tradition. Although if you will go in other part of country, they all have been changed. But if you will go to Rajasthan right now also, the uh, ladies or the women over there, they were wearing chudas and all these things. But but the other part of the countries, the people those who are living in desert, they are also wearing that dress up. That dress up is also having that traditional look. And mostly Banjaras kind of a people were living, जिसको हम nomad भी बोलते हैं, nomad peoples, Banjaras people were there, because they are shifting from one place to another place. Why it is happened? Because they were living on that sand. सैंड में क्या होता है, जब सैंड ड्यून्स बन जाते हैं, देन दे प्रोवाइड देम अ स्पेस टू लिव. बट जब आंधी चलने लग जाती है एंड देयर वोंट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है इन दैट एरिया, देन दे विल शिफ्ट टू द अदर प्लेस. तो दे बंजाराज आर कीप ऑन मूविंग इन डेजर्ट. What is important, that is camel is called ship of desert, that also I have told. What is the basic characteristics or the feature of camel which help that animal to call the ship of the desert? Because that camel is able to walk in sand because they have padded feet. Padded feet they have, and with that padded feet, when they will move on sand, their feet does not move inside the sand, and they can easily walk over the sand. So that's why camel is called the ship of a desert. So now we'll come to next. This is your first one, that you are at a place which is very hot and dry, so you can hardly see any plant around. You are in a desert. Now let's come to a second one. Second one is you are standing on a flat land. You are standing on a flat land which is between two hills or mountains. You are standing on a flat land which is between two hills or mountains. So these flat lands are found in hills, means in Himalayas also, and in mountains also. So this flat land is called valley. This flat land between two hills is called valley. The people, those who are living in valley, their life is quite hard. Although most of the cities were uh, made there in that valley. If you'll go like in Nepal also, if you'll go in Shimla, that is situated in the valley only. So that whole city was made in that valley, and the people, they are bringing all the material which they required from the flat land, and then they were living over there. So the life, they were having animals also with them. They have uh, other places also were formed over there. So quite important, that is your flat portion between two hills, that is valley. And different types of medicines and herbs were available in that flat land only. So that part of region is very important. That valley part of a region, that is a hill station or a mountain, that is very important, because that is the source to move from one place to another place. uh, Valleys are working like a connecting point. फाइन, कोई भी आया कहीं से, उसको दूसरी जगह जाना है तो वो वैली को क्रॉस करके ही तो जाएगा ना. सो दैट इज वर्किंग लाइक अ कनेक्टिंग point. So that is valley. Now what else is famous about valley? In valley, they were getting sufficient food for the animals. So they were keeping animals also. They were keeping goat, sheep, yak, and so many different animals which are quite useful for them also. Now number 3, you are at a place where there are large number of trees. We'll come to number 3. You are at a place where there are large number of trees, animals and birds. So you are in a forest. Large number of trees, animals and birds are there. So you are in a forest. You are in a forest. Number 4, you are standing on a forest. Now what is the importance of forest? First of all, sufficient amount of oxygen which is required in the atmosphere, that is balanced by all these trees. Now the trees which were found in forests are not put on by, by one person. That was man, that is natural habitat, and the different types of animals were surviving over there. If it does not have forest, they won't be able to survive over there. They will not be getting a sufficient amount of uh, natural habitat to live, like animals, birds, and one more thing which is very important, from the forest only we will be getting different medicinal plants also, and rubber plant from where we will get latex, and that latex is used to make tire, rubber ball and different things. Now number 4, you are standing on a raised flat land. You are on a plateau. Yes, raised flat land. Fine. Raised means that is a little bit higher from the nearby area, but that is a flat land. So that is you are standing on a plateau. Next is you are on a land which is higher than its nearby area and has a slope. So which area has a slope, which is greater than its or higher than its nearby area, that is your uh, hill. So you are standing on a hill that is greater, that is higher from your nearby area. So in India you will be getting different places where you will be having this hilly area. Now near 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Now this water is found in different types of water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers and lake. So just like that we have done different landforms, that our earth is having land in few forms, like we have desert, we have plateau, we have valley, we have hill, we have forest, different landforms are there. Similarly in water forms also, we have sea, we have oceans, we have river, we have lakes, pond and different water bodies. So this was your first page which we have to revise today, that is different landform. I hope that already we have done about different landforms, and now these landforms are more clearer. Now we'll come to our next topic, that is music makers. Music makers. Music makers. Now here in music maker we are going to read out the clues which is given, and then we are going to answer the questions, and we are going to write the name of these musical instrument. Okay, now children, what do you mean by musical instrument? That is quite a bigger word for you all. Musical instrument. Musical instrument are those instruments which were used to produce music. Fine. That is used to produce music, and uh, that music can be instrumental, and with that music we can sing also. Now, without instrument we cannot produce any music. That is not any kind of a music. Now, earlier we do not have these many musical instruments which now we are having. So nowadays we have many musical instruments, and in each musical instrument we have different types of musical instrument which were used to make music. Number one, dom dom dom, as you bang, I come alive and make you dance. So who am I? As you all can see in the picture is of drum. So drum is the correct answer. Drum is the correct answer. Now, drum is not a traditional instrument. Traditional means it is not there in earlier times. It was invented in in 18th century, when that parade and all has been started. So at that time they will be having this drums. In parade, the big huge drum was used in parade and all. Now we'll come to next. Number 2. Hold me to your lips and blow through the hole. Hold me to your lips and blow through the hole. My sweet sound will reach your soul. Hold me to your lips and blow through the hole. My sweet sound will reach your soul. So what is here? In the picture you can see a nice flute is there. बांसुरी भी बोलते हैं उसको. बांसुरी में क्या होता है? We have hole inside it, and वो hole के अंदर once we will blow, उसमें हवा कर मारते हैं, हवा से फिर वो बजती है by putting fingers on these holes. ठीक है, वो fingers से then they were उसको ऊपर नीचे करके and then they were controlling that. Now according to history, now this बांसुरी और flute is a traditional musical instrument. आपने देखा होगा कृष्ण भगवान भी they were also playing this बांसुरी. So बांसुरी is one of the traditional instrument. बहुत पुराने टाइम से, in fact बहुत, it is very quite old. So now number 3, we are a pair of drums with ropes tied around. You have to use both hands to hear our sound. So what is this? That is your tabla. Tabla is a pair of drums because we have 2 drums and they were tied up with rope, and to play the music in tabla you required both of the hands. Both of the hands will be used to play the music. Now we'll come to 4th one. To play me, pluck my string, my lovely music will make you sing. Now the 4th one is to play me, pluck my string, my lovely music will make you sing. That is your guitar. Now in guitar we have different types of guitar, and guitar is not among the traditional instrument. Very after such a long time. Earlier we have sitar, ektara, veena, all these things we have. But later on we invented this guitar, and then we have different types of guitar like acoustic guitar, then we have electric guitar, and how to play it, that is also different things were there. So guitar is again an important musical instrument. Number 5, when you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. Sweetest melody for you I bring. So when you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. So that is there. So that is what? Violin. That is violin. Now you can see the answers have been given on that same page. You have to remember the clues and then you have to remember answers of these questions also. So now children will start tidbits. To make music, instruments can be played alone or along with other instrument. So to make music, if I want to make music, I can make it alone also and with other instrument also. When we are playing music along with other instrument, that is called an orchestra. So in an orchestra, a number of instruments are played together. A number of instruments are played together. So here you can see one activity is also given, make your own music. So this box guitar, you all can do it in the activity. Here is how you can make your own musical instrument. So here the activity is that is related to how to make a box guitar. Now box guitar, you will need an empty shoe box or any other cardboard box, 4 rubber band, a piece of cardboard, a pencil and a glue. To do, remove the lid of the empty box, stretch 4 rubber band so that they go around the box. See, 4 rubber bands have been put up. Now put a pencil under the rubber band. Paste the cardboard under the box. Which one? The upper part, that lid which you have removed, paste it below that box. Now enjoy plucking the rubber band. On the top of the box, you have your own box guitar. So in this way you can make the box guitar and then you can draw shapes from a side and then you can cut it. So that is your way to form box guitar. So children, today we have done 2 topics, that is different landforms and music maker, and in these 2, after that we have seen this activity. Now this activity is related to how to draw, how to form a box guitar, and that is quite simple. You all can make it. In fact, you can do this activity. So now children, we are going to start with the next topic of today, that is day by day. Although we have done this page in quite explanation, with a quite explanation, today we are going to revise these questions. Along with that, we will remember the facts which we have already done. So now question 1 is, how many days make a fortnight? Fortnight is formed by 14 days. So the 15th night is called fortnight. So how many days make a fortnight? That is 14 days. Here the answer is 14 days. How many months in a year have 31 days? How many months in a year have 31 days? How many days are there? How many months have 31 days? So that I have told you, with a feast you can count January, Hill, then it has 31 days, Valley, then it has 30 days. Then we have 7 months in a year which has 31 days. Now number 3, in a leap year, how many days are there in February? So in a leap year, I hope you all are knowing it and you all are remembering it, that in a leap year we have 366 days. So one day which is increased, that will be added in that February. So number of days in the leap year in the month of February, that is 20. 9. Now in a year, how many months have 30 days? How many months have 30 days? So we have 3 months which have 30 days. Now number 5, on which date do we celebrate New Year's Eve? So New Year's Eve is celebrated on 1st of January. Fine, New Year's Eve means New Year Day is celebrated on the New Year's Day. So now we'll come to next 6th one. How many weeks are there in a year? Now question number 5, on which day do we celebrate New Year's Eve? New Year's Eve is celebrated on 31st of December. And then the next day will be your New Year. How many weeks are there in a year? So in a year we have 52 weeks. How many weeks do we have? 52 weeks. Now 100 years together make a century. 100 years together make a century. Now 10 years together make a decade. So that only you have to remember that century is formed by 100 years and 10 years are there in a decade. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many weeks are there in a year? That I've already told you, 52 weeks. How many months are there in a year? 12 months. Total number of days, that is 365. In a leap year we have 366 days. So on this page only you have been given with this, the 7 days of the week are hidden in this word maze, and can you find and circle all the 7 days. So in this only you have to find, like here you can see Thursday, then we have this, then this Friday, Tuesday, Monday, and so many days were there, right? You have to find all the 7 days. So a week start from Sunday or Monday? A week start from Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we have Sunday will be a holiday. So with this you have to find it out. I hope the facts which we have done, that is quite clear. Let's revise the fact once again. Day by day, that is very important. How many days make a fortnight? That is 14 days. 14 days make a fortnight. How many months in a year have 31 days? Means January, then March, then May, January, March, May, July, August, then October, and then December. So 7 months have 31 days. After that we will be left with 5 months. So out of 5 we have 4 months. 4 months have 30 days. So in a leap year, how many days are there in a February? So as I told you that in the month of February, 29 days are there in a leap year. But in a normal year, we will be having 28 days. So in a year, we will be having 4 months, which is having 30 days. On which day do we celebrate New Year's Eve? So New Year's Eve is celebrated on 31st of December. How many weeks are there in a year? That is 52 weeks. Along with this, we have to remember that 100 years make a century and 10 years make a decade. In 1 week we have 7 days and in a year we have 52 weeks. Then 365, or in a leap year we have 366 days. So these are the few basic things which you have to remember, and in the next class we are going to take quiz related to all these questions which we have already done. So today I am going to finish our class. I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, different landforms. and day by day, and then you will be having that chapter. One more chapter we have revised today. So we'll finish our class here. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.